Hey guys, today we are going to change one of the vacuum motors on this Husqvarna DE120 Vacuum. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the guys were complaining that this had a funny smell. Unclip your clips here so that you can open this up. We checked the filter here. This filter looked fine, or the main conical filter here looked fine. So then we took out the screws here so that we can get to the HEPA filters, as well as these two screws. Those screws are 5mm Allen bolt screws. Once you have those out, you can just pop this lid off here, and then you have access to your HEPA filters here. You can pull these out. So then what we're gonna do is plug this in and check to see if both of these motors are spinning. So then we'll turn it on. You can see that that one is spinning and this one is not. Now that we know which motor is not working, put the top back on the vacuum, put all the screws back in here, put it all back together the way you took this apart. Now we're going to take out 4 5mm screws right here, and the same ones on the other side, right here and right here. Next, we're going to remove these 3 T27 Torx screws. Okay, now we've got the whole top mechanism here free from the base here. So we're gonna pick this up and flip it over. Before you pull this off and flip it over, you should replace your dust bag here, just so you're not having dust falling right back down into your filter. Now we're gonna take this top piece off here. So that's this T27 screw, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, we can see why our motor here is toast. The bearing is fried. You got some pieces in here. I see some ball bearing pieces down in here. See one right there. So this one's definitely toast. Okay, so we are going to unplug these here. One thing to note is this one's not long enough to reach over here, so it's not really that critical to mark these because they can only get plugged in one spot. This one is a similar game. It would be a little tough to reach that one with this one. But if you want to mark these, you can. Just know that the shorter wire goes to the closer plug. So now that we've got those unplugged here, blow this area out here because you got lots of dust and stuff in here. It'll help your other motor last longer if it's cleaner. Once you're done with that, we're going to take out this T27 screw, this one, this one, this one. There's one in here, one right here, and right here. You'll also need to take out the screw that's in here. You'll need either a long T-handle or something narrow that can fit down in here, and for this one as well. You can now lift this up and just kind of turn this off to the side like that. I've got a seal that came out here. All you need to do is just lift this right out like that. That's all there is to it. It's not fastened in at all. Got our new motor here. If I can find this on Amazon, I will have it linked down in the description below. So now we're just gonna take out this old seal right here. And if that one on Amazon comes with a new one, put our new one in right here. Set our motor in here like that. Now you can set your new seal back on here. Make sure these tabs sit on top of these pieces here. And you can pull the other one off from this other side if you want. Set that one in there the same way. Oops, that's upside down. Set that one in there the same way. I just put this back on here and put it back together the way you took it apart. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.